Hello friend, welcome to Saanvi study. Today is the topic in speech on Independence Day. So let's start. First number, good morning everyone. Second number, my name is Nitya. Third number, today is 15th August. Fourth number, we are celebrating Independence Day. Fifth number, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Sixth number, it is a national festival of India. Seven number, we celebrated this day with joy. Eight number, we hoist our national flag on this day. Nine number, we sing our national anthem. 10 number, I love my India very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching friend.